You smell imaginary diesel. You feel vibration in your palms. You aren't just playing anymore. You're directing digital warfare. If you respect precision, subscribe to POV Origin, because level 4 is technical. Here's what casual players don't know. You optimize missile trajectory using GTA's physics engine. Lock-on timing is not random. It's frame dependent. War in the comments is louder than war in game. If you value mastery over noise, like and subscribe to POV Origin. Risk? Burnout. Your heart races harder than your character's jet. You realize something ugly. The destruction isn't about nations. It's about spectacle. And spectacle feeds the machine. If you're still here, subscribe to POV Origin, because level 5 hurts. Level 5. You're 23 now. Not 17. Not naive. Income. $8,900 per month across ads, sponsorships, and affiliates. Risk? Reputation damage. One upload goes too far, thumbnail too realistic. Comment sections explode. Sponsors email nervously. We need to review brand alignment. You feel cold sweat between your shoulder blades. The smell of instant coffee at 3 a.m. becomes permanent. You start to understand the emotional scar forming. If this realism hits, press like and subscribe to POV Origin, because the scar deepens. Midway through your eyes, tragedy hits. Your closest stone line from the one who coded your tank AI. Heart attack. 26 years old. No respawn screen in real life. No reload. Income still flows. Super chats still ping. But your room feels quieter. The glow from the monitor harsher. You render explosions, remembering his laugh through a bad Discord mic. Money doesn't fix that. It never could. If you've ever felt that hollow victory, subscribe to POV Origin, because level 6 turns darker. Level 6. You build a private mod server. Subscription access. Premium membership at $19.99 monthly. 4,000 members. Do the math. Income. Nearly $79,960 before taxes and server costs. Risk. Legal. Gray zones. Platform scrutiny. You. Draft disclaimers. This is fictional simulation. The truth. The emotions are real. Every missile strike triggers dopamine in thousands of viewers. You know how to pace it. Silence. Build up, then impact. If you're studying the psychology, like and subscribe to POV Origin. The RPM is climbing. You learn money laundering techniques, not illegal ones, but platform-based. Smoothing Diversify. Revenue streams. Merch store. Custom keyboard with jet engraving. Limited drop. $42 each. Sell 3,000 units. That's $126,000 gross. Risk shifts from digital death to tax audits. You hire an accountant. The room smells like printed contracts. Adult world now. Not just explosions. If you respect the shift from chaos to structure, subscribe to POV Origin before level 7 hits. Level 7! Ire, 35 income. $1.2 million. Annually, across all streams. Risk, a new creator emerges. Younger, louder, more extreme. They destroy not just the Airbase bit, entire cities. The audience flirts with novelty. Your analytics dip. 12% decline. Quarter. It feels worse than getting shot down in level 1. Because this time, it's slow, silent, suffocating. If you know how brutal competition is, like and subscribe to POV. Origin loyalty matters. Here, you pivot. Narrative depth. Emotional weight. Not just destruction, but consequences. After the fighter jets wipes the airbase, you show empty runways, smoke curling. No music, just wind. Retention climbs again. Because people don't just want chaos. They want meaning. Income stabilizes at $980,000 after the dip. Risk recalibrated. Spectacle without story dies fast. If you're learning with me, subscribe to POV. Origin where? Not on. Level 8. You're 50. Older. Richer. Your hands tremble slightly on the controller. Arthritis. Creeping. Income steady but lower. $620,000 yearly. Risk. Health. You remember being 17 at 2:43 That red blinking dot? You smell old wood in your office now. Leather chair cracking. Awards on the wall. All earned from digital destruction inside GTA 5. Israeli military airbase. Iranian jets. Tanks rolling through pixels. None of it real. All of it profitable. If you've grown with me this far, like and subscribe to POV Origin. Level 9. You stop streaming. Advisory role. Now. Consulting younger creators. $240,000 yearly. In passive income. Risk-fighting memory. You rewatch your old viral clip. The one where the Iranian jet dives vertical and obliterates the airport terminal in cinematic slow motion. 38 million views. You notice flaws now. Audio clipping. Slight frame drop. But the feeling returns. That first surge. That identity shift. If nostalgia hits you, subscribe to POV Origin before the final level. Level 10. You're 72. Retirement. Income. $110,000. Passive from investments. Funded by a career that started with a modded jet. Risk. Regret. You sit near a window. Real sunlight now. Not monitor glow. You'll think about systems, about disposable players, about algorithms that crowned you king and threatened you daily. You went inside GTA 5. You built wealth from simulated war. But here's the paradox. You want the views. You want the money. You mastered the game, but you never escaped the loop. Every explosion fed the machine. Every like fueled the algorithm. Even now, you whisper, almost automatically. Like and subscribe to POV Origin because the habit never left. And you wonder, did you control the war? Or did the system control you?